So this is really good for Cardano. This is exactly what we want to see if we're holding Cardano, especially for the long term, because this is what makes Cardano very special and very unique. And it's starting to play out. And you can't say the same thing that I'm about to talk about in this video about ADA for every top layer one project, right? And this is why Cardano, again, is very unique and special. We're going to dive into this because we're seeing something transpire that is very bullish for the long-term outlook of Cardano and also very bullish for us as retail investors, right? Because we're here on YouTube, we're not talking necessarily to the institutional investors, right? The big money investors. We're talking about Cardano to the Jimmies and Joes of the world, right? We're all the, normal folks just trying to better our lives. And one thing that I saw in Cardano early, very much so helped me come around to the idea of eventually investing. And it's actually playing out even better than I thought. So we're going to actually dive into that a little bit in this video. Now, real quick before we do, all I ask, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And let's take a quick look at the price of Cardano. So we're sitting at about 39 cents right now. You could see trading in a really tight range right now. Market cap sitting at 13.6 billion. Volume way down here in the last 24 hours, down about 30%. But again, great opportunities here across the board to get your favorite assets. You can see Cardano's been falling a little bit. We did mention in our previous video that Cardano could fall to 38 cents. Well, it's heading in that direction, guys. We actually bounced off 38 cents just 2 days ago. We'll see even if we have some further drops. So again, presenting some great opportunities, right? Now, let's dive into this article because Cardano ADA whales now only control 8% of the coin supply. Why is this relevant? Why is this important? So let me dive into this. I've already kind of got my spot in this article that I want to focus on. So this figure of 8%, the whales only owning 8%, compared to similar cryptocurrencies with similar market caps, similar holder bases, right? This figure is significantly lower than its competitors, making ADA one of the most decentralized digital assets in the top 10 market, of course, excluding stablecoins. Despite these promising developments in decentralization and the use of cutting-edge tech, Cardano faces market challenges, like all top cryptos do, struggling to regain its recent uptrend. However, when we really zoom out and look at this holistically, this is what makes Cardano very unique, guys, is the fact that the whales don't control this crypto like they do, let's say, Ethereum. And listen, I love Ethereum. I don't hate it. I'm an investor. But Cardano's unique in this way. The decrease in whale-controlled ADA supply reflects a shift in the asset's distribution among holders, which contributes to a more decentralized network, which that is the backbone of Cardano, right? As the distribution of ADA becomes more dispersed, the crypto is likely to become more resistant to manipulation and maintain a healthy, diverse ecosystem of stakeholders. We also know that a lot of people stake their Cardano. Now, after enjoying an uptrend for several weeks, ADA is now struggling to regain momentum. The volume profile reveals a downtrend, which we just highlighted. One possible explanation is the broader cryptocurrency market. And I think this is the biggest explanation of what's going on. Now, with many digital assets experiencing corrections and fluctuations is normal, right? And especially right now, given that Bitcoin has been tumbling. It's important to note that while Cardano's current market challenges may be concerning for some investors, especially in the short term, the project's core principles of decentralization and innovation remain strong. And this is shown to us by this stat right here, that the whales only control 8% of the coin's supply right now. This is what Cardano is all about. If you guys love this and you got some value in this video, make sure you guys hit the notification bell after you subscribe so you don't miss out on any other Cardano videos right here on this channel. Appreciate you guys as always for stopping back here and enjoy the rest of your weekend.